Mm. Welcome back, or welcome to No Winning if it's your first time. You need more Tesla products. The most things that we can do for this damn Tesla, because we can't mod it, obviously. So this is supposed to help me. You know what? I don't even think it's gonna help. But I said, what the hell? We're gonna put it on anyway. So let me give you a little bit of information of what this is. This is kind of like the sunshade that we put on the roof of the Tesla. The tint that was on the roof of the Tesla was already there. It's OEM, right? We didn't mess with it. Stayed the same. We just put an extra layer of that Tesla branded, what, mesh? What do you call it?
Yeah.
Mesh? Okay, mesh over it. But in the back hatch, there was an option for one, which is this right here. But like I said, it may not need it. Let me tell you why. It may not need it because it already had privacy tint. And then I went and put 5% tint on top of that. So then we're going to put this underneath that. So it's going to be this 5% tint, privacy tint. And yeah, so if you're able to see through the back of this hatch, if I'm gonna even be able to see, I don't even know why I'm gonna have that rear view mirror, to be honest with you. But hey, like I said, what the hell? It's the most that I could possibly do with this Tesla, so we're gonna do it. Plus, it's been a while since we've done anything anyway, with any of our cars. We have a parking lot over here, by the way, in case you wanted to, know about it. All right.
Looks the same.
Smaller circle, steering wheel. Hopefully this one,
Hey,
yeah.
you can buy a steering wheel for the Tesla.
Although the yoke, I don't know if I want it. I drove the yoke on the Model X during the test drive, and it's cool because it was on the Model X, right? Like, there's an option for that through Tesla on the Model X, but I don't know if I want that on my Model Y. I don't know. What do you think? No? Yeah, I don't think so either. All right, we're gonna come over here to these watts, aka these nuts.
What's that?
Oh, that thing again. Great. All right. So, let's see how this opens. Oh shit! Almost hit me in the face.
Don't break this thing. How
Almost
much
hit-
is this thing?
Oh yeah. By the way. Oh. Don't even. You know what? Let me put this on. And I'm gonna make a separate video for that. I'm gonna make a separate video for that.
Okay.
Well, give me 4 clips, and there's already 2 clips on there. Interesting.
Nice.
Okay. I don't know where I'm gonna put these clips, but I guess for the most part, it would go something like, I'm assuming because of the shape, right? Something like that.
That was pretty easy.
Shit. I might not even need the clips, dude.
I would put them anyways.
Yeah. Okay. Like I said, look, this is like, there's like 100% sunlight out here. Look how dark it is. So this is the mesh, 5% privacy tint, all of the above tint. You think I should put all of them? This is a lot of them.
Do it. Or put it on the other one.
Great, if I can get it out now. Okay.
So put the clips on first. Got it.
Yeah.
Because your height.
You know what? Why am I even doing this? You should be doing this.
Okay.
You're the designated reach, strength person, all of the above. Yeah, watch me struggle. Oh, yeah, you know what? I can give you a little update about this. By the way, you're gonna have to bleep this out because I'm gonna say it, right? Don't f it up, all right? Don't f it up. You know why? Because Tesla's gonna charge you for it, even though it's super faulty, right? And it's super delicate. This piece of shit right here is $235. You heard it right. $235. How much? $235. 2, 3, 5.
A little door. Sheesh. Just that little piece. I could probably fix the other. Or where is it?
Oh,
what's that? Okay.
It's like a little piece of broken. Well, they kept the original, by the way. I just had the door flat.
That's how they get you.
How in the hell did we put this on the other one?
Oh, it's a thicker rod.
That's what she said. Here, look. You try this with your finger. You're gonna have to put it in, and I'll put it in over here. If you get it in here, how about I hold it? POV style. POV style.
Okay,
Give it to me.
put it right
I'll
here.
record it. No, don't put it on. Do not put it on that fucking charging
Is it upside
port.
down?
No, it's good.
Sure.
No. Over here, you're gonna tear it over here. Do it over here. It's thinner. Oh, baby.
Only the thick
Okay,
ones.
so the thick one's here. Another one over here.
Okay. Yes, master.
Yes, right away.
Which way is the thing? Did I do it right?
Yeah, you did it right. That's right. That's right. That's right. This
You
mother.
saw that? You saw that?
This mother. Okay.
How many cups do you want? Or you want to keep one for the other one?
Well, there's two, so maybe you think we need one on the sides or no?
I don't think so.
Okay.
You go pretty fast. I mean, the speed limit.
Yeah,
Sorry,
exactly.
my bad.
In Mexico, I go fast. And because I actually
There
live
you go.
near Mexico. You know what I'm saying?
Wow. That one was easy, man.
Hey. You cannot be saying those words. Can't be saying those words. Bleep that one out too, please. Can't be saying those words. All right. All right, ladies and
Or
gentlemen.
we should have done that without the.
You know what? We
mesh
should put
first.
one on the sides.
You think so? It's gonna bother you or what?
It's probably gonna bother me.
I thought we did.
No, we're gonna put one on the top.
Oh, here? Bro,
think
it's
it's
like
good?
on there, bro.
Okay, then it's on there. All right, we're gonna relocate some of these to the front one.
Nice.
And yeah, if you want to figure out what happened on that, yeah, don't get me started with that one. Actually, you know what? Put it this way: if you want a video of what I think about this stroller car seat combo,
Comment below.
comment below, please, because I swear to you, I will give it to you from not only from an engineering perspective, but from an actual parent. Because the engineers that came up with this have never had kids before. Got it? Deal.
Weird.
Yeah. All right, so I think that's it. That's it. That's it. It's it.
All right, well, it's good.
Okay.
Struggling?
Yep. Yeah, totally struggling actually. Oh, they both come off. Good, great.